If you think proxies and VPNs are the same, you're wrong. Yes, both hide your IP address, but that doesn't mean they work the same way. Their use cases and functionality are completely different. Stick around to find out which one you actually need. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bitewise Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for regular updates. What is a proxy? A proxy is like a middleman between you and the internet. When you use a proxy, your internet traffic gets routed through another server before reaching the website you're visiting. Main benefits of a proxy: hides your IP address from websites, can bypass geographical restrictions, useful for basic anonymity and faster web browsing. But here's the catch: proxies don't encrypt your data. Your ISP can still see your online activities. Websites might still track you using cookies and browser fingerprints. What is a VPN? A VPN, virtual private network, does everything a proxy does, but with extra security. Instead of just hiding your IP, VPNs encrypt your entire internet connection. Key advantages of a VPN: end-to-end encryption protects your data, hides your real IP address from websites and hackers, secures public Wi-Fi usage, no risk from cybercriminals, prevents ISPs from tracking your browsing history. But VPNs can slow down your internet speed due to encryption. Some free VPNs might log your data, so always choose a trusted provider. Key differences between proxy and VPN: hides IP address. Yes. Encrypts data. No. Yes. Secures public Wi-Fi. No. Yes. Prevents ISP tracking. No. Yes. Best for streaming and bypassing geo-restrictions. Yes. Best for privacy and security. No. Yes. Which one should you use? For students and professionals, if you're using the internet at work or school and just need to bypass restrictions, a proxy might be enough. For security-conscious users, if you're handling sensitive data or using public Wi-Fi, a VPN is a must. For gamers and streamers, VPNs can bypass geo-blocks, but some game servers block them. A proxy may work better for lower latency. In simple terms, use a proxy if you just want to change your location. For streaming or bypassing simple restrictions, use a VPN if you want full privacy, security, and encryption. Which one do you prefer, VPN or proxy? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.